I hate no one. Hata nyinyi wenye hunichukia, I don't hate you. Mimi sina space ya hatred. Sina space ya hatred. But I will stand with the truth. Mundu aheterio ni murume wake ndaturaga arakarite miaka tene na tene. Even our parents have been suffering. I have come from a family where there was a father and a mother. And my father was suffering because of something he did to my mother 30 years ago. Why are you mistreating your husbands? Sasa tuanze tu hapo. Nyinyi wenye mko kwa ndoa, kwa nini mnatesanga wanaume? Mwanaume alikuumiza 10 years ago. Mpaka wa leo unamtesa. Unamtesa. Tunajua, acheni hypocrisy. You know why your father is suffering today. Papa knew the dynamo theory. Papa knew the dynamo theory muthenya wa mothe. Niki gitumite mamu wanyu atore anyararithetie papa wanyu. Ni undu wa mwekire 1972. Mamu wanyu ndagakona orekeri ni kanitha iriku icio muthia. Why do you go to church if you cannot forgive one soul, your husband? Ndwahikirio ni muraika. Listen to this song. Listen to this song. Gutire mundu hawa wahikirio ni muraika. Ithuĩ twe single mothers na tugwatagwo ni arume anyu ona tugaciara. Tuciaraga na arume anyu. Kaĩ ndaciarirwo ni muthuri waku, kaĩ ndoragana. Where is forgiveness? Where is forgiveness? What does the Bible say about forgiveness? If you cannot forgive the father of your kids, how will you forgive me? How will you forgive the devil? Niki muragi ya thuri na muthuri ageria kumagara na hau nja agacarĩrie ngoro yake gĩkeno mukambĩrĩria rĩu kũmũhũra mũmonine. Listen to this song. Rekei tũkorwo twĩna ũmũndũ tafadhali. Ndirarega muthuri waku nĩ akiri ũrĩa ekire. Gĩa na ũrekeri mũndũ witũ. Gĩa na ũrekeri. Rekera muthuri ũcio. Ndwaciarire na nyamũ. Rekera Triza uria Karangu agwikire gia ngoro no yorekeri tiga kuhenio ni atumia na ndugathi kumathakirira kuri atumia matari na kihiko matiguguteithia ni ndirona ni urathakario na ni urekirwo nguo ukoneka ta we mwega muno no tamaka ohana mbirira. That is the word Triza etiro rucini rwo muthi wirirwo ni ngomi cia kwanyu ohana mbirira uria mbirira egemagio na thiini ni kindu kibuthu. Imagine Ngai agikwerekeria kiaro ugu agakwira we ohana mbirira. That is what Triza was called in the morning. And I'm not ashamed. I am saying it publicly. I'm not ashamed. That is what I was told to tell her. Orage mio takeiba. Orage mio teitha nduku ria mundu mukuo. Ugo ndiro no gekirwo nguo. Makoiga brother ambassador. Triza, if I were you, I would go back to my marriage. Muthuri waku ni agwetereire. Tuika kionereria Triza, kia mutumia mukiririria. Triza ndukirireirio na hanini. Triza ndukirireirie. Triza ndaguthaitha twika mutumia mukiririria ndukirireirie na rikorwo wathie kwe ngorino iria ngoro iria ikorereire uthie ihiko-ini ciao. Triza ndaguthaitha na waga kunjigua mano uguciara mwana utari wa Karangu na Karangu ni akarera mwana ucio na ndoiga uguo ndi thiini wa ngoma. Sasa hiyo ni kutabiri, nimetabiri and mark it somewhere. Juu hiyo si mimi nimeongea. Hiyo si mimi nimeongea. Mororo ria wena Triza okugwatia mwana utari wa Karangu na manama Karangu no akarera mwana ucio. Ndakwira uguo ndi thiini wa andu aria makuite. Ndi thiini wa ngoma. Nieti ni ndoiga horo ucio. No ucio ni urathi ndaratha. Triza ororo uguo ororora. Tondu ona ndoi family planning inyuagwo atia. Oyo na ndoi ihure ruta gwatia. No ndakora thira muthenya wa umuthi Triza.